Hi, it's Koze. I'm gonna be doing some experiments in this video and making a set. I saw this video on Instagram. They put a magnet on scissors and make a French nail. Yes, I wanna try it so bad. Also, I wanna paint a magnetic gel on a black gel nail, which I've never tried before. I don't think many Japanese people do that. Let's get started. This is a black gel nail from Watts, which is a Japanese 100 yen store. I'm painting it on the thumb. This is not from a 100 yen store. Born Pretty Gold Cap Magnetic Gel number 4. The particles in this gel isn't super fine. I'm putting some gold foil. I think it's a good idea to flatten the foil completely. I'm using this gel nail, Wine Red from CanDo, another 100 yen store. If you're interested in visiting Japan, you should visit 100 yen stores. There's so much nail stuff there. Nice autumn color, I guess. I'm making sure it's flattened. I'm finishing it with a top coat. Nice golden color. Very chic. The pinky, the middle finger, and the index finger. I'm gonna paint black gel once and cure. I'm gonna be painting the Born Pretty's gel again, Gold Cat Magnetic Gel, number 4. I'm not curing it yet. Ta-da! Scissors. I wonder if I can do French nails with this. No, I can't. Okay, let's try one more time. I can see some line there. Maybe the angle is not good? Another try. No. Well, for a change, I closed the scissors and started playing around. This is interesting. I can draw some lines with this. Cool. At the moment, I don't know what kind of art I can make with this method, but definitely it's cool. I think nail art with magnetic gel is kind of blurry, but with this method, I think I can make something sharp. Now I'm gonna try a French mani with this. Oh yeah, it's easier than I thought. I think I can even draw a heart or a flower with this. While doing this, I accidentally touched the gel with the scissors, but it was no problem. Well, I did fix it, but it was easy to fix. Unfortunately, I don't have that video. By the way, I tried a similar magnet like the video I watched. No, it didn't work for me. So I started playing with it again. Yeah, with this method you can draw something in details. As I edit this video, I don't know why I didn't try a heart or a flower. Okay, let's get back to work. I'm gonna make a French money on the index finger. What would you draw with this method? I'm painting the wine red gel. Then I'm gonna finish it with a top coat. The ring finger. The magnetic gel. I'm trying to collect the particles in the center. I didn't know I could gather particles easier with this magnet until now. I'm going to apply a matte top coat. Cure. I'm cleaning it with ethanol. And I'm rubbing it with a makeup sponge. This way, excess chrome powder will come off easily. A plate from Temu. Black icing gel from Seria, a 100 yen store. It's not highly pigmented at all. So this is not a credit card. Some people thought I was using a credit card. Of course, I'd hate the confusion, but this card is perfect to scrape. Looks fine. I'm gonna stamp it as it is. I'm gonna rub chrome powder on it. I'm cleaning the excess chrome powder with washi tape. I'm gonna paint a top coat gently. I don't want to pick any chrome powder. I'm gonna do the same art as a thumb to the middle finger. Magnetic gel. I completely forgot about this tool. This is from Temu. Putting foil on it. For some reason, I really want to eat eel now. This color looks like eel's skin color to me. I'm painting wine red. After curing it, I put some extra foil on it. Applying top coat to finish. All done. Well, actually, I was going to make a nice Valentine's Day set. I guess I should have used more bright red gel. But still, I like it. I put the set on silicone fingers. Very chic. Except for the ring finger, it's cute. I really like the way the particles shine. So, do you have any good ideas about the scissor method? I saw some people use a sewing needle instead of scissors. I have to try that too. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye!